President Trump's COVID diagnosis may be inspiring more Americans to actually wear a mask. In a new poll, 21% of people surveyed say they are now more likely to wear a mask. Nearly 77% say the news won't change their behavior. Meantime, a number of people in Metro Atlanta are calling for people to stop wearing masks and get society back to normal. CBS 46's Jamie Kennedy talking to experts about the push.
Posts online calling for people not to wear masks are gaining support.
We live in America, land of the free. You should be able to choose what's best for your personal health. If you want to wear a mask, that's fine. But the forced masking is what I have an issue with.
The posts encourage others to go maskless so society can return back to a higher level of normalcy. Opening up our cities to a more normal way of life is an idea gaining traction with some of the most esteemed infectious disease doctors in the world. Doctors from Stanford, Oxford and Harvard universities have created the Barrington Declaration, which says current lockdown policies are producing devastating effects on short and long-term public health, including lower child vaccination rates, fewer cancer screenings and deteriorating mental health, leading to greater excess mortality in years to come.
I agree with them. What my observation has been throughout this entire plague and pandemic is that we're constantly saying that the perfect is the only way to do it. And in real life, where we all live, often the better is what we can get.
Dr. Dretler also agrees the elderly and medically vulnerable should still shelter in place, but says those at a much lower risk should be able to go back to life as before with a more cautious approach, knowing you could spread it. As far as where masks fit in,
not wearing a mask is really saying I don't care about anyone else.
Jamie Kennedy, CBS 46 News.
And tonight, Georgia showing signs of improvement in fighting COVID-19. State health officials just reported 979 cases in the last day. It is the third straight day with fewer than 1,000 cases. That hasn't happened since mid-June. Overall, Georgia has nearly 325,000 cases.